जिसको अपुन ने सर पे बिठाया, उन लोग अगर अपने धर्म के बारे में गलत पिक्चर बनाएगा, आर्मी वालों को गलत बताएगा, तो उनकी क्या पूजा करेगा मैं? फिर झाड़ू डाल के मोर बनाएगा ना उन लोग को।
जैन भाऊ,
जैन जैन कैसे आप सब लोग?
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास भाऊ.
अनिल सर एक और. अनिल सर, मयंक सर.
और थोड़ा आगे
मयंक सर, अनिल सर.
और आगे हो?
हाँ सेंटर में
भाऊ सेंटर में सेंटर. बस बस परफेक्ट भाऊ एकदम.
एक साथ में से वाह भाई.
भाऊ सोलो करते हैं ना.
सोलो सोलो सोलो.
हो गया भाऊ, बुड्ढा हो गया अभी क्या है?
और थोड़ा आगे बस बस बस
ये
बस
बिग
बस
बॉस
देख रहे ना भाई.
मेरे को भाषण देने नहीं आता है. थैंक यू.
चलिए रेडी. आज आप
ये
ऑरेंज
निकाल दो ना.
नहीं
नहीं?
ऑरेंज मिल्क के लॉन्च पे आए हैं आप. आज क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कैसी लगी जगह?
बहुत अच्छा जगह है और डिसेंट जगह है. मुंबई में ऐसे कम मिलता है देखने के लिए जगह. बहुत सारी जगह है, उसमें से ये भी एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे क्राउड भी अच्छा है, डिसेंट क्राउड है. अच्छा लगा इधर आके.
कोई क्वेश्चन?
आफ्टर कोविड आप यहाँ पर आए, कैसा महसूस लगा?
तू क्यों आया पहला वो बता मेरे को.
इसलिए आप आए इसलिए.
कोविड क्या अच्छा होता है?
कोविड के बाद काफी लोग फ्रस्ट्रेशन में रहे, डिप्रेशन.
मैं नहीं था फ्रस्ट्रेशन में. मैंने मास्क भी नहीं पहना जब से कोविड चालू हो गया. ऊपर वाले का शुक्र है, कुछ नहीं, अच्छा है, सब ठीक है. हाँ आगे बोल.
डांस करने के लिए आप कितना मतलब इसका नाइट लाइफ
मेरे को डांस भी आता नहीं. कभी देखा है क्या डांस करते? हाँ डांस नहीं आता है, पर अच्छा लगता है. तुम लोग डांस करेगा ना, मैं देखेगा, अच्छा लगेगा.
और इन दिनों आप भी काफी सोशल मीडिया में काफी फेमस हो रहे हैं. लगातार कई सारे मुद्दे पर आपने बात की. स्टैफ के मुद्दे में बात की, अनिल कपूर के मुद्दे पे बात की. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस तरह के आर्मी के बारे में गलत गलत तरीके से जो सेलिब्रिटीज है वो लगातार बोल, आप क्या कहते हैं?
तो ये चीज़ें सिर्फ क्या मेरे को दिखती है, आप मीडिया वालों को दिखती नहीं क्या? कोई जिसको अपुन ने सर पे बिठाया, उन लोग अगर अपने धर्म के बारे में गलत पिक्चर बनाएगा, आर्मी वालों को गलत बताएगा, तो उनकी क्या पूजा करेगा मैं? फिर झाड़ू डाल के मोर बनाएगा ना उन लोग को. तो बना रहा हूँ मैं. जिसको मेरे खिलाफ बात करना है, खिलाफ कुछ दिखाना है, दिखाओ. जिसको मेरा साथ देना है वो साथ दो. और जो मेरे देश के खिलाफ बात करेगा उसकी तो बजाऊंगा मैं. कोई भी रहने दो.
बिग बॉस को लेके आप कितना इस बिग बॉस फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
बिग बॉस था ये टाइम?
सर
हाँ मालूम नहीं है मेरे को, कोई बताया नहीं है कि बिग बॉस चालू हो गया करके.
एनीथिंग एल्स मैम?
नहीं बस आज
हो गया.
थैंक यू भाऊ.
चलो जय हिंद. जय हिंद.
Looks fantastic. The place behind the hill, it's quite a fascinating place in Mumbai, and they've got wonderful cuisine. I think they'll deliver the best service probably in Powai. So I feel this place will do wonders.
So what about what kind of music will be here tonight?
I'll be playing a lot of Bollywood commercial music, a lot of hip hop and R&B as well. So a mix of all the genres, depending on how the crowd is.
What wishes would you like to give to Orange?
I wish Team Orange Mint all the very best, and thank you for having me for this launch. Thank you Dark Square Entertainment and Utkarsh, and thank you Parul so much. Thank you.
मैं पहले उनका दे दूँ. ये भाई पहले विजुअल दे दो, फिर मैं फोटो काटता हूँ. Look in the camera.
सब इधर शिफ्ट, इधर थोड़ा.
So you can do pictures later.
We'll do pictures first. Sir, एक काम करो.
अच्छा लग रहा है पहले बोल देना क्वालिटी कलर
Thank you. Just give us one more. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm going to start, you introduce and begin. Okay?
Sorry?
And I'm going to talk. Don't look at me, look at the camera.
No problem.
In the center.
Where is
okay?
the camera?
Yeah, just look at the center.
This one.
okay?
All camera.
Just step forward. So congratulations, Orange in Kolai. What do you have to say?
So my name is Mayank Saraf and he
I'm
is,
Anil Singh.
and we both have started this brand known as Orange Mint 6 years back. So we started with our first branch in Thane, then we expanded to Vashi, Chembur, and now we have brought this brand in Powai.
So what's special about Orange?
Orange Mint is something that has an entire package. We have come up with an ambience that is for, like, not just for the party going crowd, but for the daily chill scenes also. We have, like, during afternoons we have a good afternoon vibe, and for people to kick back and relax during the night, we have a good party scene as well. So we come as a package. That is what we bring with Orange Mint.
Talking about the food and cocktails, what is the pick?
So in food, I would suggest that go for our Mexican, Italian, and Indian dishes. We serve Chinese as well, but Italian is a must try at our place with Indian to go. And in cocktails, we have a lot of variety of cocktails that we are offering, especially in LITs, that we have more than 10 varieties of long and iced teas. That is really rare in any other places. And we are going to come up with molecular cocktails as well.
We have a good range of infused cocktails as well. So anyone who want to try infused cocktails should kick back, come here and try it anytime.
Every place will have even a lovely location like this on a hill, which is very rare to find in Bombay. So what went on, keeping the name of the place is Orange?
Oh, it's a lovely, funny story actually. So Orange Mint, we can talk about shisha, right?
Ashish, our
So we are going to serve herbal shisha as well. So the funny story about Orange Mint is, like, we both are best friends since like we are together since probably first grade. So but in college we used to do quite a bit of shisha. So we used to do Orange Mint. So that's how the name came into place.
All the best and may you have many more.
Thank you very
so
much. Thank you very
Bandra
much.
and Juhu probably next.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So just give me one more picture. You're not smiling. Just give me one smiling one.
Thank you very much.
That's Thank you very much. Thank you.
So you can just come close. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Please,
Both of you together. Okay. Thank you. Ajay sir, एक solo picture. Thank you.
आइए जी जी
सबसे पहले
See, the energy is very good, the vibration is fantastic, and the God is kind that it's raining. So I can say the congratulations to the owners who are owning this place. And yes, of course, the clubs and the kind of places. Now it's time, need of time to be opened because we have already faced a long pandemic. So good places are always welcome, and this part of Mumbai especially. And I can say, yeah, of course, all the best to them, Orange Mint.
I would congratulate them. Well, thank you. Thanks.
Sorry, Rukya.
Thank you.
Utkarsh, congratulations on the launch of your Orange Mint today. What do you have to say?
Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much thank you for being the part of it. I just wanted to say it's a huge collaboration with Orange Mint for its 4 branches. This is the 4th branch, Powai. I'm glad I've been a part of it.
Talking about the business getting back to normal in
It's the COVID situation, you know, we were being same kind of feeling that now it has been back to business. We'll roll again.
what are the necessary precautions that you're taking now?
All safety measures have been taken here. All necessary precautions. The staff has been taken. Everything has been done right.
So talking about the USP of the place, what do you have to say?
The USP is shisha over here. After that, the herbal shisha is here. After the USP, the ambience is good. Mumbai, I have never seen a place like this.